about Table A and Table B. This is a question that is very confusing for many nurses. Can you explain a little bit about Table A and Table B, and as a nurse, which table would you look at?
Yeah, so one is called it is confusing, even for me. I look at it, but it's the one is the final action dates, and that's what the visa bulletin has been for years. You know, when your priority date, the date that you were petitioned by an employer, is before the date in the final action dates. That means that as long as you've submitted all your paperwork, they'll set up an interview for you at the U.S. Embassy in Manila, and you can get your green card. The other table, the filing dates, that really only applies to people in the United States. If you're in the U.S., and I mean, not that many Filipino nurses are here on the U.S. because there's no visa. I mean, it's ridiculous, but there's no temporary visa for nurses to come in, except, and I go back to my wife, her nieces have gone to Canada because it was a long wait to get into the U.S. So once you become a Canadian citizen, you can get a nurse and get something called the TN visa, the trade NAFTA visa. So if the nurse is in the United States, then every month the Immigration Service puts out something on their webpage, and will they use the final action dates for when you can file your application for a green card, or will they use the filing dates, which are, it kind of gives you a head start so you can move. And every month immigration does something a little different. But unless you're in the U.S., you don't really have to worry about the filing dates.
Okay. Well, that gives great clarification.